Hello everybody, welcome back. Hi from London. Wow, my second video while filming in my hotel in London. This is really cool. I'm not in South Africa, so I'm very excited to be filming this. As I said, I went shopping in Covent Garden. I hope I said that right. So I had to go to Artbox, of course. And unfortunately, I didn't film inside the store because it was very busy. There was a line just to go inside the store, and I personally did not want to get in the way of other people who were also shopping in the store. And I did come during New Year and Christmas, which is obviously going to be a busy time of the year. So I kind of expected that to happen. But it's okay. We're here. We're going to do an unboxing in my hotel room. Let's do it. Alright. I don't know how much I spent. I probably spent like £200 or £300. I don't know. This is a very heavy boy. Big boy. Let's check it out. Alright. So the first thing is this plate. My Melody plate. So I'm moving soon to a new house and I thought, why not buy some decorative items for my new room? And yeah, that was the main goal for today. And ironically, this is also a Coogee prize, a lottery prize, and you know this when you see a number on the package, either a number or a letter, and you know it's a lottery prize. But anyway, they have a lot of lotteries in Japan, which I love. Yeah, this is very cute. I love it. I don't have a lot of Sanrio stuff, so basically you could say this is like my first couple of Sanrio items, which I'm very happy and excited to show you guys. Yay! It's so cute! My Melody. Okay. And then I got a My Melody and Piano-chan lunchbox. She is there somewhere in Piano-chan. Just there. Tiny version of her. It's very cute. Hopefully I'm not going to be lazy to make lunches for work, because this will be very cute to take to work, and yeah, it'll be interesting. I should have bought like chopsticks as well, but I have like a lot of chopsticks at home, so it doesn't matter. And that store is quite expensive as well. So I'm happy with this as well. Very cute. And the shelves were quite empty, so I think some of the stuff was sold out. Like certain items that I was looking for was not there, so I assumed that maybe it's sold out and they don't have any of them anymore, which is fine. They didn't have much mascot plushies, so yeah, I just thought, okay, maybe it's sold out, which is fine. I can always buy on Mercari. Okay, and then I got this. This is a scrapbooking thing, or you can use it for your diary, or when you're planning stuff you can decorate and make it cute. So basically you get like stickers and notepads and letters? Yeah, envelopes, sorry. So you get notepads and envelopes, and then you can like send cute messages to your friends or something like that. Yeah, I love it. I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but yeah, I got it because this is my favorite Sanrio character. I love Cinnamoroll. Yeah, let's see what's next. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's the slip. That's the evidence of how much I spent. Let's just take out this big one. Oh, this is the best one. I bought this blanket, and I think it's pretty obvious who it is because it's blue. And you know who blue represents? I don't know how much I can show. Okay, you can see. It's Cinnamoroll again. Maybe I will show you in a separate video where I'm standing and holding the entire thing. Yeah, let's do that in a separate video because it'll be quite challenging right now. Okay, what else do we have? Oh, I got these stickers. They're so cute. If you use Line, then you will recognize these characters. So here is Connie. So I bought these to decorate my suitcase or anything else that I want to put stickers on. And Brown Bear. Yay, Line friends. So if you use Line, then you'll, Line friends. Yeah, I love it. So cute. Oh, is he just called Brown? I call him Brown Bear. I think there are some people that call him Brown Bear. Anyway, these are very cute and nice to find. This is a nice find. What else do we have? Oh, I got hair clips. So they didn't have the hair clips that I was looking for. It was a much bigger hair clip, so you can actually see the character on the hair clip. So these are kind of like substitutes for those. So first we have My Melody and Piano-chan. Piano-chan, My Melody. I'm gonna protect these with my life and hopefully they can last for a long time, because this is amazing. And Little Twin Stars. It's not easy to get Little Twin Stars merch, so this is also a nice find. And there's actually quite a few Little Twin Stars merch at Artbox, which I love about them. Yeah. So I took that hair clips because I wasn't sure what else I wanted of them, and yeah, I just didn't want to take randomly. I wanted to buy things that I will actually use and like. Let's take out the last item. Is this the last item? Yeah, it is. Okay, so they actually sell, let me just do that with the bag. Anyway, so they actually sell Japanese clothing as well, Harajuku clothing, proper Japanese brands from Japan, which was amazing. And I actually found Listen Flavor and AC/DC Rag. I love AC/DC Rag, so of course I chose them. And I bought it mainly because I do like this collection. It's called the Harajuku, can't English, Harajuku Y2K collection, which came out in February 2022. And this is actually something I wanted to buy for a while. Yeah, it's one of their older collections, but still I love AC/DC Rag. So this is the t-shirt. It's like a crop top type thing. And then you can see their name on there as well. It's very cute. I will show you the outfit in a separate video of me wearing it. And then with the t-shirt you get arm warmers, leg warmer type things, gloves. I don't know what you would call them. It's very cute though. And then the pants. I love this. It's clouds! Yay! So cute. They actually have a overalls jumpsuit version of this, which is what I actually wanted. But this is also cute. This entire outfit is also very cute. I'm very happy with it. And I own a lot of pink clothes. They also have a heart version, which is this. But I chose this because I do like clouds. It's very cute. And I do a lot of cloud makeup. And also it's blue, so I thought that let's add more blue to my collection because I already wear like a lot of pink, as you can see. I'm also wearing a pink skirt right now. But yeah, I'll show you this in a separate video. And I noticed that there's this is from Dreamy Brows. They sell like a lot of Japanese branded clothing, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, let me show you the clothing. Yay! And the blanket. This is the outfit of me. This is me wearing it. It's very cute. I love it. Nice. So I mainly bought this because of the feeling and the opportunity to buy something off shelf, and obviously because I like the outfit and the collection. Yeah. And so this is the blanket I got. Woo! Cinema roll. So cute. It's very big. I love it so much. I'm very blue right now. Very cute. Alright. That's everything I bought from Artbox in Covent Garden. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed this unboxing video. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!